What's up YouTube, Darren here from Darren On Demand. Today's video is going to be slightly different. A lot of you may know that we've actually lived in Spain for the last 4 years, and in the last 3 months we've actually moved over to Benidorm. So we've gone from a 5-bedroom 4-bathroom villa to a 3-bedroom 1-bathroom 5th floor apartment overlooking the Levante seafront. The reason for this: family's downsized, everybody's moved away, so it's only me and Claire left now. So we thought that we would move into Benidorm, where a lot of our work is. So the apartment that we actually looked at and decided that we were going to take on was quite poorly decorated. Actually, it'd been run down for quite a while, so we took the apartment on, but we said to the owner that we were going to do a full refurb on the property and have all the electrics changed, change the tile flooring and put wood flooring down, paint the entire property, electrics. We had air conditioning put in, we wanted in the kitchen, new worktops putting in, the gas changed for electric and put a new hob, oven, extractor fan in. So we had all that done. Bathroom was a very old bath that was very scaled and dirty, so we had that removed. We had a new bath put in, so we put a rainfall shower over. The screen wouldn't actually go on the bath, so we so you'll see from some of the photos before and afters how we actually had to build out the wall and put in some secret storage so that we could put a screen there. So yeah, we've been here 3 months now. There's still a few bits left to do, but the majority of stuff is done. So I would like to actually do a video of what our apartment looks like now. As I said, there is still a few things left to do, but the majority of stuff is done. But yeah, there's always tweaks and touches that you're always going to do. So let's jump over to the video and see what you think. as you can see, major changes into what it was looking like before we actually moved in and all the work was done to what it actually looks like now. It's a lovely place. We're very happy with living here. I hope you like the video and I hope you like our apartment. So if you do, please click that like button, click that subscribe button, and also click that little notification bell to tell you about any new videos that we have being launched, just like the one that you're watching now. But till the next time, guys, see ya.